The local government minister and the ZANU-PF Mashonaland East chairman, Daniel Garwe, has attacked Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and crushed his presidential ambitions. Sanapena masho atuna kuti aiwa vakomana vana Daniel Garwe vakuya manje panapa, they are now mobilizing. Vakuona kuti aiwa they are now approaching mbijana day by day. They are now approaching 2028. Now they are now paving way aho mtungamiri wenyika yemasoda Mnangagwa vachiya vachibloka VP Chiwenga. Sanapena masho panakudanya papanapa msara nasi uri subscribe like atonde pele kuti imatosaunelera hanzi ED top attack Chiwenga. Tipino wanyora vachiti the 2030 ED Wachitonga was adopted at the party conference after all our 9 party provincial structures endorsed it. I want to tell you here that the resolution is possible and it's irreversible. Garwe told a district feedback meeting in Chivu, Chikomba district. 2 weeks ago, President Mnangagwa's allies in his home province, the Midlands, also reignited the push to extend his term of office, despite Mnangagwa having stated that he would step down in 2028. This renewal of ambition for a term extension has rekindled tension between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, following a temporary truce at the ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo in October. Though mashoko anobuda achiona some fresh attacks achiona kuti aiwa these guys they are now confusing maloyalist AVP Chiwenga kuda kuti aiwa vanhu vakanga vatobvumirana vakutoza kuti aiwa tikamiri wenyika asinza kuda kuzorora aiwa saka VP vatova aligned nesuccession. But at this critical point tinoti vakomana they are now rising, they are now mobilizing vachita aiwa isusu constitution test takadonyora hatinei nayo amutidzise zvezvinyowani tudze mafunguro enyu mutodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi abvira comment section yedu. Subscribe or like on the bell icon.